For centuries, humans have looked up at the sky and wondered about their place in the universe. The night sky, with its myriad of stars and celestial bodies, has always been a source of fascination and mystery. Ancient stargazers from various cultures meticulously observed the heavens, trying to decipher the secrets of the cosmos. They noted the patterns of the stars, the phases of the moon, and the movements of the planets, all in an effort to understand the world around them. The question of the Earth's shape has been a source of debate and discovery for millennia. Early scholars and philosophers pored over ancient texts and scrolls, engaging in heated debates about the nature of our planet. Some believed in a flat Earth, while others proposed more spherical models. These discussions were not just academic, they were deeply intertwined with the cultural and religious beliefs of the time. Early civilizations often held the belief that the Earth was flat. This idea was prevalent in many ancient cultures, including the Babylonians, Egyptians, and early Greeks. They created maps and illustrations that depicted the Earth as a flat disk surrounded by a vast ocean. These maps were not just geographical tools, they were also symbolic representations of their worldview. This concept was rooted in their everyday experiences. For the average person living in these ancient times, the Earth appeared flat. They walked on flat ground, saw flat horizons, and had no reason to believe otherwise. Their daily lives, filled with farming, trading, and community activities, reinforced this perception. After all, the ground beneath their feet appeared flat, and the horizon seemed to stretch out endlessly before them. The vast plains and open fields they traversed gave no indication of the Earth's curvature. To them, the idea of a flat Earth was not just logical, it was an observable reality. These early beliefs were not based on scientific observation. Instead, they were shaped by myths, legends, and the limited knowledge available at the time. Ancient texts and scrolls are filled with stories that explain the world in terms of gods, monsters, and supernatural forces. These narratives provided a framework for understanding the world, even if they were not scientifically accurate. Instead, they were often intertwined with mythology and religious beliefs. Many ancient cultures believed that the Earth was created by gods or divine beings. Religious rituals and ceremonies were conducted to honor these deities and ensure the stability of the world. Temples and sacred sites were built as centers of worship and cosmic order. The Earth was seen as a stable and immovable platform at the center of the cosmos. This geocentric view placed humanity at the heart of creation, with the heavens revolving around them. Medieval cosmic diagrams and ancient illustrations often depicted the Earth as the focal point of the universe, surrounded by concentric spheres of stars and planets. It was a place of order and permanence in a universe that often seemed chaotic and unpredictable. The idea of a stable Earth provided a sense of security and continuity in a world filled with natural disasters, celestial events, and other phenomena that were difficult to explain. This belief in a flat, central Earth persisted for centuries, shaping the way people understood their place in the cosmos. These early understandings of the Earth's shape were reflected in the maps they created. Ancient civilizations, with their limited knowledge and tools, often depicted the world in ways that seem strange to us today. Their maps were not just geographical representations, but also cultural artifacts, revealing how they perceived their place in the cosmos. The flat Earth concept was a common theme, influenced by the observable horizon and the lack of evidence to the contrary. These maps were a blend of myth, observation, and imagination, serving both practical and symbolic purposes. One such example is the Babylonian world map, dating back to the 6th century BC. This map, etched on a clay tablet, is one of the earliest known representations of the world. It provides a fascinating glimpse into how the Babylonians viewed their surroundings and their place within it. The map is not just a tool for navigation, but a reflection of their cosmological beliefs and societal structure. This map depicts the Earth as a flat, circular disk surrounded by a saltwater ocean. The edges of the map are marked with various mythical regions and creatures, illustrating the blend of known geography and imaginative elements. The flat Earth model was a logical conclusion based on the observations available to them at the time. The horizon appeared flat, and without advanced tools there was no way to prove otherwise. Babylon itself is prominently placed at the center of the world, highlighting the anthropocentric worldview of the time. This central placement underscores the importance of Babylon in their society and their belief in its significance in the grand scheme of the universe. It reflects a common theme in ancient maps, where the known world is centered around the map maker's own culture and city. This map, like many others from this period, reflects the limitations of human understanding. The lack of advanced technology and scientific knowledge meant that these maps were based on limited exploration and observation. They often included speculative elements and mythical places, blending fact and fiction. Despite these limitations, these maps were invaluable tools for navigation and understanding the world. Without the tools of modern science, ancient civilizations relied on their senses and interpretations to make sense of the world around them. They observed the stars, the movement of the sun, and the changing seasons to develop their maps and cosmologies. These early efforts laid the groundwork for future advancements in cartography and our understanding of the Earth. Their maps, though primitive by today's standards, were remarkable achievements that combined observation, creativity, and a deep desire to understand the world. However, the idea of a spherical Earth began to emerge in ancient Greece. The philosopher and polymath Aristotle, in the 4th century BC, offered compelling evidence for this theory. His observations of lunar eclipses were particularly significant. Aristotle noted that during a lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow cast upon the moon's surface was always curved. This curvature, he reasoned, could only be possible if the Earth itself was a sphere. This deduction marked a turning point in our understanding of the planet. Today, we have the privilege of seeing our planet from a perspective that was unimaginable to our ancestors. With the advent of space exploration, we have access to images of Earth taken from satellites and spacecraft. These images offer irrefutable proof of Earth's spherical shape. The iconic blue marble photograph, taken by the Apollo 17 astronauts in 1972, captured the imagination of the world and solidified our understanding of Earth as a globe. Section 5. Beyond the Horizon: Evidence from Ships and the Setting Sun. Even without venturing into space, there are readily observable phenomena that provide evidence for a spherical Earth. One such observation involves the way ships disappear over the horizon. As a ship sails away from the shore, it gradually disappears hull first, followed by the mast. If the Earth were flat, the entire ship would remain visible, only shrinking in size as it moved further away. Similarly, the way the sun sets below the horizon, gradually disappearing from view, also points towards a curved Earth. Section 6. Celestial signpost constellations and a curved Earth. Further evidence for Earth's spherical shape comes from the observation of constellations. Different constellations are visible from different latitudes on Earth. For instance, the constellation Polaris, the North Star, is visible from the northern hemisphere but not from the southern hemisphere. This phenomenon occurs because the Earth's curvature limits our line of sight depending on our location. If the Earth were flat, the same constellations would be visible from all points on its surface. Section 7. Mapping the Globe, Ptolemy, Al-Idrisi, and the Spherical Earth. The understanding of a spherical Earth continued to develop throughout history. Claudius Ptolemy, a Greek-Roman mathematician and astronomer in the 2nd century AD, produced a world map that took into account the Earth's curvature. Ptolemy's map, while not without its inaccuracies, was a significant advancement in cartography. Centuries later, the Arab cartographer Al-Idrisi in the 12th century created an even more accurate representation of the world. His map, based on the works of Ptolemy and other geographers, further solidified the understanding of Earth as a sphere. Section 8. The Quest for Truth, from Ancient Beliefs to Modern Science. Throughout history, humanity has always sought to understand the world around us. This quest for knowledge has driven us to explore, to question, and to innovate. From the earliest civilizations, people have looked to the skies and wondered about the nature of the Earth and the cosmos. Ancient cultures developed intricate myths and beliefs to explain the mysteries of the universe, often seeing the Earth as a flat plane or a disk floating in a vast ocean. These early ideas, while not scientifically accurate, laid the groundwork for future exploration and discovery. The journey from a flat Earth to a spherical understanding is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. Over time, as our observational tools and techniques improved, so did our understanding of the Earth's shape. Ancient Greek philosophers like Pythagoras and Aristotle began to propose the idea of a spherical Earth based on their observations of the stars and the horizon. These early theories were revolutionary, challenging the prevailing flat Earth model and setting the stage for future scientific advancements. From the earliest observations of the night sky, humans have been captivated by the stars and planets. Ancient astronomers meticulously recorded the movements of celestial bodies, developing complex models to explain their observations. These early stargazers laid the foundation for the field of astronomy, which would eventually lead to groundbreaking discoveries about the nature of our universe. To the advent of space exploration, our understanding of the universe has expanded exponentially. The launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, in 1957 marked the beginning of the space age, opening up new frontiers for scientific research. Human spaceflight, lunar landings, and the deployment of space telescopes have provided us with unprecedented views of our planet and the cosmos, revealing the true nature of the Earth as a beautiful blue sphere floating in the vastness of space. Our understanding of the universe has been shaped by a relentless quest for truth. Scientists throughout history have conducted experiments, made observations, and developed theories to explain the natural world. From the scientific revolution of the 16th and 17th centuries to the modern era of space exploration, each generation has built upon the knowledge of those who came before, pushing the boundaries of what we know and understand. The story of Earth's shape is not just about a scientific fact. It's a narrative that spans millennia, encompassing the efforts of countless individuals who dared to question the status quo and seek out the truth. Early models of the Earth, whether flat or spherical, represent the evolving nature of human thought and our desire to make sense of the world around us. It's about the evolution of human thought and our place in the cosmos. Philosophers, scientists, and thinkers from different cultures and eras have contributed to our understanding of the Earth and the universe. Their debates, discussions, and discoveries have shaped the way we see ourselves and our place in the grand scheme of things and our place in the cosmos. As we continue to explore the universe, we are constantly reminded of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. Each new discovery, whether it be a distant galaxy or a new exoplanet, adds to our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It serves as a reminder that our understanding of the world is constantly evolving. The history of science is a testament to the fact that knowledge is not static. It grows and changes as we make new discoveries and develop new technologies. Theories that were once widely accepted can be challenged and replaced by new ideas, reflecting the dynamic nature of scientific inquiry, and that there is always more to learn and discover. As we look to the future, we can be certain that the quest for knowledge will continue to drive us forward. With each new discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it, reminding us that the pursuit of truth is a never-ending journey.